Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Flick account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Flick account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address flick.social like this and hit on enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of Flick. Over here guys, you can see there is the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen where I'm hovering right now. But before that guys, if you have not yet signed up for a Flick account, you can simply click on the try for free to go to the registration process of the Flick in order to create a Flick account online. And with that being said guys, let's click on sign in order to log into our Flick account. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address and password. But before you do that guys, just scroll down to the end of this page where you can see guys, there is the continue with Facebook, sign in with Google, and continue with Apple button available over here. And if you click on either of these three buttons, a login page to Facebook, Google, or Apple will open. And if you log into your respected accounts, then you'll be signed into your Flick account with these accounts respectively. And with that being said guys, you can also see there is the send me a login link. Click over there and a new tab will open where you'll have to enter your email address, and a login link will be sent to you on your email, and you'll have to retrieve it on your inbox. And with that being said guys, just let's enter our email address like this, which we had registered on Flick at the time of creating our account. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always click on the reset password over here at the end of the page to go through a procedure to reset your Flick ID's password. And with that being said guys, for entering your email ID, your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Flick account online on your computer. And this is how you log into your Flick account guys. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.